Welcome, ladies and gentlemen, to another video. Today we are playing Sons of the Forest. I know this game has been out for a little bit of time, but I just saw it on Steam, and I played the original Forest and absolutely loved it. And so yeah, I figured, fuck it, I'll probably like this one. And so yeah, let's waste no time and jump right into it, see what we can get ourselves into. Also, quick little disclaimer at the beginning. This is a survival horror game. So if that's not really your thing, or if you don't really want to have jump scares and shit, then don't watch the video. It's that simple. Because there is going to be some freaky shit. So let's do this. Waste no time. Alrighty, here we go, baby. Puff Corporation. I gotta say, this game looks absolutely amazing. The graphics are A1. Oh shit, here we go. We are plummeting towards the fucking earth. Oh shit, what is that? Oh, it's just lightning. It's thunder and lightning. Don't worry. Hey, what is up, boys? Kelvin, Fisheye. Good to meet ya. Good to meet ya. Okay. So these are the people we're searching for, I guess. So those three people you just saw are the people that we are coming to this place to search for. What does this say? Fight demons. God damn it. There it is. Oh, we're gonna be fighting demons, all right, son. Oh, shit. Here we go. Another one bites the dust. Oh, fuck me. Hang on, Kelvin. Hang on, Fisheye. Hang on. Oh, fuck. Oh, dicks. I'm fucking hanging. I'm fucking hanging from a tree. Oh, shit balls. Oh. What up, bro? Don't get out. Don't move. No. Oh, you idiot. Here it goes. The door's gonna fall off. He's gonna die. What are you doing? Yeah, well, that was fucking dumb, wasn't it? Oh, shit. Just to finish him off. Oh my god. Yes. Cut. Cut the rope. Get out of the— oh! God damn it. You just saw the fucking pilot fall out. Why the fuck would you cut the rope and fall? Who is this? Ow, bitch. What are you thinking? Oh, here we go. Fucking elephant gun to the head. Okay. Great. Great. Absolutely perfect. We're alive. Look at that. That other guy died because the fucking door fell on his head. Not us. Open. Emergency only. Okay, here we are. We are in Sons of the Forest, ladies and gentlemen. Who's this? What up, you fuck? Get up. Get up. Get up. Stop being a bitch. Oh, that's Kelvin. What up, bro? You are fucked up, son. Oh, he is— ooh, yeah. He's seen better days, I'll tell you that much. Okay. Follow the pen, Kelvin. Follow the pen. There you go. Atta boy. You should follow me. That's what you should do. There you go. Take that, bitch. Fucking deer. Holy shit, there's a lot of deer. Deer a doe, a female deer. God damn. Okay, I think priority number one is to build a shelter or a base or a home or something like that. A place of living. Okay, these crazy motherfuckers are gonna need to chill out before I stab some ass. I need this guy. I need Kelvin. I need you to get some wood for me, brother. Clear. 20 meters, boy. Go clear. Clear. 20 meters. Thank you. Timber! Watch out, Kelvin. Oh, you almost got fucking raped, son. You almost got raped, boy. Holy shit. Kelvin, you're a fucking idiot. You're like a toddler. He acts like I don't see them running around trying to murder the both of us. He acts like I'm fucking blind. I see him, dude. Do you think I'm fucking dumb? You motherfucker. You motherfucker. One hit. One fucking hit. God damn it. Oh my fucking god. One hit from one of these dumbass people and I'm fucking strung up to a fucking pole and they're gonna eat my ass. Please don't fucking rape me while I'm out here. Fuck off, bro. Oh my god, you guys are annoying. You guys are annoying as fuck. Oh, son of a bitch. I think this is where I was gonna build my fucking thing. God damn it. What the fuck are you? Huh? What? What the fuck are you? I'm gonna fuck you up, son. God damn. Booty. Come on, motherfucker. Get some. Get some, bitch. Okay, by the way, I just slept, so you guys know. So it's not fucking dark anymore. I saw that crazy bitch. She started walking around. I killed her. Don't know if that's what I was supposed to do. I feel like people are not happy with me now. But yeah, I think Kelvin might be fucked over there. I'm not sure. I don't care, really, to be honest with you. I think he might have got tied up, too. That's why he's over there at that camp. But I could be wrong. So I'm just gonna leave him there. I mean, he wasn't really being very helpful anyways, so he can kind of go suck me off. I need to sleep. There. There we go. Hey, Kelvin, while you were gone, I murdered 3 people. While you were off doing fucking nothing. I thought that was shit. Oh, wait, there's a turtle right here. Oh, look at that. Got him. I fucking got his ass. Oh, shit, there's a crazy-ass bitch. There's 2 crazy-ass bitches. Hey, what up? Oh, you dodged it, you bastard. Kelvin, watch out. They're coming to eat your ass, boy. There you go. Attaboy. Oh my fucking god. He's such a pussy, bro. Got him, see? Got him. You're fucking useless, Kelvin. Look at it. Look at Kelvin. He's getting fucking taunted by this thing. And now he's running off like a bitch. I'll get him. Don't worry, boy. Oh, there's another one over here. Look, see, Kelvin? Look. Look, see? Look at him. Meow. I know. They're fucking crazy. You don't have to tell me. Look at him laying prone. Bitch. Motherfucker's got my spear. Kelvin, help me! Daddy's dying. Come here. What? What? I fucking died. Oh my god. Okay, ladies and gentlemen. Well, we fucking died, which fucking absolutely blows. But I don't really want to set up camp here because there's so many crazy ass motherfuckers all around that I don't think this is the best place to set up camp. I really just don't. I don't think it is. Like, I feel like we need to go somewhere else. Yeah, go suck yourself. Okay, I also figured out how to set up hotkeys, which is cool. So, that's pretty fucking helpful. So, I'm gonna scratch that whole plan of setting up base camp there. I'm gonna go find a place where there's not as many crazy-ass people. Me and Kelvin can just chill out, build our base, have a place to save, and, like, actually start making progress. So I'll cut back when I am, like, when I have a place actually built and set up. Because it's literally just going to be me farming for shit. And I don't want to have you guys just sit around and watch all that, because that just gets boring. So, yeah, I'll cut back when I'm done building the base. Because then we'll actually start doing, like, cool shit. Alrighty, so when I left you guys last, I was still trying to figure out a place of living. Finally fucking found a place right here by this sweet, sweet river. We got the beach down there looking great, looking real nice. This is what I have built so far. This took probably about an hour and a half to get all this supplies and shit. What's his name again? Why am I forgetting? Kelvin. Big Kelvin has been helping me out here collecting all this shit that I needed. Just to catch you guys up, I built a fish trap there. I built a bed over here. And, I think that's about it. And then obviously these log containers right here. That's about all we've done. So you haven't really missed out on much. It's literally just been me gathering shit. Oh yeah, I also built a bow as well. So that's really about all we've done. Really haven't done much. But I kind of want to... I was going to say, how do I figure out how to zoom in and out on this thing? But that's how. It's the middle mouse button. So I kind of want to go exploring. There is a raft out here. I'm going to have him... While I'm gone, I'm going to have him go break down a bunch of wood. So hopefully when I get back, I can have him collect the logs, and then we can continue building. But right now, I saw two things. Number one, when I went to go to the beach to get feathers for the arrows, I saw there was like a life, yeah, that life raft right there. And then I saw this purple thing out here too that I wanted to go check out and see what it was. So that is the plan of action. Climb. Duh. Get up. Climb in. What the hell are you doing? What the hell's taking you so fucking long? Jesus. Ooh, well, here's one of our boys. BPS tag located. A fucking gun. Let's go, dude. Oh, shit. Let's go, son. Alrighty, we made it back finally. Dude. Ooh, that's okay. That's sick. I just had to try it. I had to give it one go. Okay, jeez, settle down. Okay, where's that GPS tracker? Ooh, here it is. GPS tracker. Yeah. Oh, cool. Get logs and fill the holders, please. Yeah, go do that, friend. Hell yeah. Okay, so the GPS tracker is now on this stick right here. So that means that when we look at our GPS, that's going to be our base. Alrighty. Hell yeah. Okay. Sweet. That's a plus. That's a big plus right there. I'm going to go off and do a little bit of exploring here. I'm going to go up to this green thing and see what this is. Oh, okay. The green thing is a cave system. Do we go in here? Let's go in here. Let's go in and see what there is to offer. I mean, we might die. Oh. Oh, this is scary. Oh, ladies and gentlemen, this is scary. Oh, what the fuck? This is like built up right here. What the fuck is this? What is this? Oh, I don't like this. Oh, I do not like this. R? Oh, I can 3D print shit. Tech mash, a sled, arrows, a flask, grappling hook. 3D printed arrow. Yo, that's sick. Grappling hook? Should I make a grappling hook? Why not? I'm here. If for some reason we do need to make more shit, we know where this is. It's the green thing on the map. But at least we have, like, a flask now, some arrows, and that red mask, which will probably come in handy, and some other stuff as well. So that's pretty useful. I'm glad I found that. Low key. So that's that. I want to head up here to this other purple guy and go check this out and go exploring over there and see what that has to offer. Okay, let's see what this is. Homie was hanging. What's this? Ooh, another GPS tag collected. Nice. Flashlight. Okay, hell yeah, that's sick. Cool. We go check out this other thing. Maybe. Oh, fucking A. That scared the shit out of me. Oh my good god. What the fuck, bro? Jesus Christ. Okay, so the thing online is saying that I'm going to need a rebreather to get through here, so I'm going to just go in here and look around. If I do need a rebreather, then we'll come back at a later date and get the shovel. If for some reason I can get it, then we'll do that. This place is already looking scary as fuck. Alrighty, so we are getting a little bit ahead of ourselves here. We need quite a bit of stuff, actually. We need a rope gun. We need a rebreather. We need to make all that shit. So, for now, I'm going to just go ahead and, head back to our camp. Alrighty, ladies and gentlemen, that is going to do it for today's video on Sons of the Forest. Hope you guys did enjoy. Let me know down in the comments below if you want to see more, and leave a like on the video. That's how I will know that you want to see more. If you did not like the video, then go ahead and leave a dislike, so I know that you guys didn't like it. Yeah, with all that being said, I will see you guys in the next one. Peace.